Alabama is in for a roller coaster of weather this week, starting with warm and rainy conditions today, followed by a sharp drop in temperatures and a significant winter storm threat heading into Tuesday. Here's what I got in today's video. A warm front will lift northeastward through Alabama today, bringing warmer temperatures and increased moisture, leading to widespread showers and even a few rumbles of thunder. However, conditions will change drastically later this evening as a strong cold front barrels through, introducing a very cold and dry air mass. Afternoon highs will range from the upper 50s in the north to the lower 70s in the south, but don't let those temperatures fool you. Overnight lows will plummet into the upper 20s to mid 40s, with the coldest readings in northwest Alabama. As the cold air wraps around, some snow flurries may develop during the late evening and overnight hours, especially in northern and central parts of the state. Sunday will bring a much colder day with clearing skies as the strong cold front has already moved through the region. The dreaded 540 line, often indicative of wintry weather, will dip all the way into South Alabama. Afternoon highs will only manage the lower 30s in the north to the mid 50s in the south. Lows will be frigid, ranging from the lower teens in the north to the lower 20s in the south. For many in northern Alabama, once temperatures fall below freezing on Sunday, they may stay there until Wednesday. Monday morning will start bitterly cold, but sunshine will dominate the first half of the day. Highs will remain chilly in the mid-20s to the lower 40s. By late afternoon, clouds will begin to filter in ahead of a significant winter storm system expected to impact much of the state starting Tuesday. At this time, there is no immediate threat of wintry precipitation on Monday, but travel preparation should be made in advance of Tuesday's potential impacts. Tuesday is shaping up to be an impactful winter weather day for much of Alabama. The Climate Prediction Center has outlined areas across the southeast, including central and south Alabama, for heavy snow and freezing rain. This forecast has expanded since previous updates. The latest model guidance, including the European and GFS models, suggests heavier precipitation will fall south of the I-20 corridor, while the Canadian model paints a broader picture with snowfall totals between 3 to 7 inches statewide. While this is an outlier and less likely, it cannot be ruled out entirely. Here's a breakdown of the timeline. Early Tuesday morning, light snow begins to move in the southwestern parts of the state. By noon, central Alabama sees light snow, while heavier snow, sleet, and freezing rain develop in southwestern areas. By 6 p.m., heavy snow and a wintry mix dominate the southern half of the state, with light snow continuing in the north. And by midnight, precipitation begins to taper off in the north, while a wintry mix persists in the south. Highs on Tuesday will struggle to reach the 30s statewide, especially if precipitation starts earlier than expected. We will refine accumulation totals as higher resolution model data becomes available. Wednesday morning lows will be bone chilling, ranging from the lower teens to the lower 20s. Thankfully, temperatures will finally rise above freezing statewide, with highs reaching the mid-30s to the lower 40s. High pressure settling in over southern Mississippi will bring drier air and some sunshine, aiding in the melting of any snow and ice on roadways and bridges. Thursday will bring a partly to mostly cloudy sky and slightly milder temperatures. After another chilly start, afternoon highs will climb into the lower 40s to the lower 50s. Friday could see a deepening trough push the 540 line all the way to the Gulf of Mexico. This may allow for a few snow flurries in the extreme northern parts of the state during the afternoon and evening, with light sprinkles possible further south. No significant impacts are expected at this time. Highs will remain in the lower 40s to the lower 50s. Stay weather aware, dress warmly, and take precautions to keep yourself and your family safe as this winter storm system approaches. Protect your pets, your pipes, and your plants. We'll continue to provide updates as the situation evolves. I'm meteorologist Scott Martin. Have a great day.